Welcome to Persica. This is part 2 of our journey into the heart of nature, where we finally reach a dreamy waterfall. If you haven't watched part 1 yet, I really recommend checking it out first so the story feels complete. Don't forget to support us by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. And now, let's dive into part 2. To reach the waterfall, we had to hike about 15 minutes deeper into the forest. So we started moving in, step by step, heading toward our final destination. At first, the trail seemed easy, but each step brought its own challenges, navigating tree roots or climbing slippery rocks. These obstacles made the journey more rewarding and deepened our experience of nature. You're too close to the waterfall. And finally, we plunged into the water to wash away the fatigue of the hike and recharge ourselves. The water was so cold that the moment we touched it, all our tiredness seemed to vanish. In that instant, we realized that the long journey was completely worth it, as nature had rewarded us with peace and positive energy. You can support us by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Peace.